What's the meaning of bosomy? Bosomy. Bosomy.
Bosomy. Bosomy. The term bosomy refers to a person, usually a woman, who has large breasts. It can also be used to describe clothing or lingerie that is designed to enhance the appearance of the bosom. The word is often associated with ideas of femininity and sexuality, and may be considered objectifying or offensive in certain contexts. Overall, bosomy is a descriptive term that emphasizes the size and prominence of a person's breasts, and should be used with sensitivity and respect.